Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Ford Ranger XLT 4x4. This four-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, trailer hitch, and power windows. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.